Silicone rubber comes in a variety of colors and semi-translucent finishes. This is determined by the manufacturer and usually indicates what specific silicone it is within their product line. It's best to leave any pre-colored silicone as is from the manufacturer, but for non-dyed material, we can add a color of our choice. Doing so can help us identify certain molds, materials, projects, or even create a unique color that's our own if we intend to sell the molds we make. Many of our platinum cure silicones come in a semi-translucent finish. That means adding color is an easy option with these. For other silicones, we'll need to be much more careful since they are already dyed a certain color. We can add a slight amount of dye, but doing so may affect our material cure and isn't recommended. The amount of silicone dye to add is included in the directions and technical specifications. For our dye, we can add up to 1% of our total silicone weight. To add dye to our silicone, we'll need to take the total expected weight of our silicone in grams and multiply that by 0.01. The resulting number is the amount of dye in grams that we can add. Once we know the amount we'll need, we can premix our dye and then add that amount to our silicone. For our 1-to-1 systems, we recommend adding and mixing it into the B side first. For a 10-to-1 system, we recommend adding and mixing it into the A side first. Once our dye has been added and thoroughly mixed into the appropriate side, we can measure out the second part of our silicone and continue with our process. Adding dye is an additional step that can add to the organization and finish of our molds. As we progress in our mold making, this will become an important piece to keeping ourselves and our business in proper order.